you're a musician and you try to go live, and to find out in the end, everything sums to mono. So if you did a live stream in Facebook or Instagram straight from your phone, audio results are not that good. So I'm going to show you a way how to stream in stereo audio. It's very high quality. I've been doing it for a long time, and you could use the gear you already have to get great live streams. So what I have here is my grand piano. I have two microphones on the piano, and here's the MXL90 that I'm talking into. These are 3 inputs, so I have them plugged into my mixer board. The first input is the MXL990, and the other 2 are the 2 microphones in the piano. So the first thing we want to do is get our cable that has a 1/4-inch end. That's a stereo RCA cable here, and we're going to get the RCA stereo end and plug it into the Behringer U control in the stereo RCA inputs, just like that. And then I'm going to get the other end of the cable there coming out from the Behringer U control, which is USB, and I'm just going to put a USB to Lightning camera adapter. It's an Apple adapter, and then I'm going to plug that straight into my smartphone or device that I plan to live stream in. All right, so we're going to go into the Streamlabs app on my smartphone that I'll be using to stream to Facebook Live, and we're going to set it up. So I'm in the app here, and I'm going to see if I could find the start menu here. I'm going to go to Account Settings and go Custom RTMP Server. It's going to ask you for the URL and stream key. So what you need to do is start up Facebook on your desktop browser and find these keys. I'm in Facebook. I need to navigate to my home page and click on Live Video and select Go Live. Now it's going to show the streaming software setup. It has the stream key and the URL. So what I'm going to do is send these to myself, and I will open it on the Messenger app on the smartphone I plan to live stream. I'm going to copy the URL, and then I need to go back to Facebook to show the Messenger tab. I'll just open up another tab to make it easier, and I'll send it to myself. There's that. And then here's the stream key. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my smartphone, and I'm going to copy and paste these 2 addresses in Streamlabs. So I'm going to exit out of Streamlabs for a second. I'm going to go to Messenger. I'm going to copy the URL first. Then go back to Streamlabs. Paste it. And then the stream key. And there it is. Press save. And I'm all set up. So the RTMP server is locked into Facebook. Now we could go back and click streaming. And we have the quality settings here. The audio quality we could put on very high. Great. Output resolution, you could do whatever you want here. The frame rate is fine. Bit rate, however you want. We'll just keep it there. Camera settings, stabilization, everything is in here to work with. So I'm fine with all this. Let's go back, and now all I have to do is press go live, and let's take a listen. that was the live stream test. Hope you enjoyed it.